we're going to visit Basingstoke. It's a town that's not far from where I live. Yeah, it's hot in the UK, and I forgot my scarf, and it's always cold in the cinema because I know that's all I have on me, guys. So I'm certainly going to be cold in the cinema. Allez, entre! Somebody leaving their plasters. But that's what I did. What happened? Right? Tomorrow's Sunday. Right? A little rest. Okay, cinema's closed. We can't go that way. The mall is closed, so we need to find a way in. Avant de partir. Hein? It's okay. We tried to eat here with my friend in Birmingham, but there were so many people. So many people. Ouais. And they gave us that one. Try it. Yeah. That's alcohol. You took one alcohol because alcohol. That can become addictive. Just juice. Where's the cat? Is that ketchup on here? Baby food. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Who did that baby dish? Oh, he brought the baby food. Did he cook it? Did he cook it? The child. Okay.
Dragonator 3000! It gives me a dragon's eye view of the south side.
Too bad didn't check the last train, so we missed the last train just like 5 minutes, and so it's 10 p.m. and the last train is now at the next one is at 5. So call the husband and so he can collect us. Okay, gonna have to wait for a little while, maybe an hour, before we can be collected. Oh well, it's part of the adventure. I had a good day despite everything. The movie was interesting. And yeah, that's another date with me. Date myself, Sari, July edition. So see you next month. I don't know what crazy adventure we're gonna do. I'm in Basingstoke, nice city, nice town. I didn't get the chance to visit it completely. I'm at the station. I rarely go out at night, but well, the movie, we came here for the ultra luxury seats, but to be honest, was it worth it? It was good for the adventure. Waiting for my driver. Okay, it was a good adventure. Would you say? Good. At the end, we had to take a Uber, costed us £40 one way.